Okay, welcome to the low temperature casting unit made by HME Technology. You'll see it's a self-contained unit. It has its own bund, so if you're casting anything and you have spillages, it's all caught in here. It's a simple on system and a temperature control, and then to cast you lift up the handle to release the metal. It's mostly pewter that we're going to be doing, or low temperature alloys. The mold fits directly into here, and we'll show you how to do that later. And to save any wastage, if you've got any spillage, there's a little tray at the back as well. Okay, to set up the molds then, we're very posh here. We've got some silicone molds, but probably within the school you'll be using MDF or cuttlefish. So today we're going to be using these silicone molds just to show you the process. Okay, so any mold that you have, you need to press together, and you need to make sure that it's tight so that none of the alloy will actually run through. So for this, to get the pressure equally across the whole mold, we've got two pieces of hardboard that we've got here, and then we've got the casting holes where the molten metal is poured. There will go to the top, so they fit smoothly in there. You'll be supplied with some spring clips which you just place inside to make sure that there's equal pressure on the mold, so that it tightly fits together and pushed down. Then that just fits in like so, so that you'll see where the pouring point is, where you can get the holes then measured. Okay, then we're ready to put some pewter now into the casting pot, so we'll just get ready for that. Top just swivels round and you place the pewter in, and we've already switched on, and we'll turn the temperature right up. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes for it to be ready. Okay, then we'll see if it's ready, shall we? We can see it is. To stop the actual hole getting blocked, just use a normal teaspoon and you can scoop off the oxidisation and waste that goes on the top. Put that in the bund out the way. Then we're ready to pour. So you just lift the handle and when it's full, stop. And with this particular one, we've got two items that we need to cast. That's done. Just leave that a few seconds now. Once you've finished, switch the unit off. Wait for that for a couple of seconds so that the molten metal in there does actually firm up, so that it doesn't leak. Okay, so you can see that that's solidified now. That will be hot, but the pewter doesn't run, so you can place the mold somewhere safe to cool down and put the next one in ready. Sometimes with the silicone molds you might have to preheat them, otherwise the molten metal won't run through into them. With these ones, they are fairly elaborate, and with this one it's some tree decorations, it's a Santa Claus and a stocking. So these are still hot, hence we're still using the gloves, and that's the detail that you've actually got.